Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini Lego vending machine. So, you will need a barrel, a 1x1 flat, a 1x4 flat, a 2x4 flat, a 1x1 plate, two 2x3 plates, 1x2 brick with a hole with two holes. It could be one hole, but this little Technic piece with a peg and this little knob, a 1x3 slanted rope, a 1x3 brick, and three 1x4 bricks. So now let's get to the building part. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your ramp with your 1x1 plate, and you're just gonna put it like this. Now take your one of your 1x3 plates, and you're gonna put your 1x1 flat over here. Now take your next 2x3 plate and then put your ramp like this. Then what you're gonna do now, you're gonna take two of your 1x4 bricks, stack them together, and take your 1x3 brick and your 1x4 brick and just stack them together too. Then you're just gonna put it like this and like that. Now what you're gonna do next is take your 1x2 brick with holes, and you're gonna put it in like this. And this is gonna be your soda. So then you're just gonna put it in like this. Now finally just take your flats and then just put them on top like this. Now if you want to know how it works, all you gotta do is just pull this little thing, and you saw that, and you'll get it. And so just put it in like this, then put it like that. And this is how it works. And so please comment, rate, subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.